Billionaire Trump worth as little as $30 million, accountants reveal phantom income. Donald Trump could only have $30 million in phantom income, accountants say. After a protracted battle, the former president's tax returns between 2015 and 2020 were finally released in December. But after accountants have deep dove into Trump's finances, his claims of being a billionaire have been devastated. Forensic accountants Mark Gottlieb and Bruce Dubinsky hold Trump likely has access to $30 million to $100 million after reviewing his 2020 tax returns, joined by University of Las Vegas, Nevada tax law expert Francine Lipman. The experts suggested the former president's net worth is mostly derived from assets that he cannot easily access. Gottlieb, who also serves as a tax law expert in Manhattan, said a lot of Trump's income in 2020 appeared to be phantom income. As phantom income, he can't touch it, feel it, smell it, or use it. Speaking to the Daily Beast, Gottlieb added Trump's tax returns showed a huge $10.6 million earned in interest income, but very little in the form of dividends or other forms of earnings. Around $9.74 million of the interest income comes from entities controlled by Vornado Realty Trust, of which Trump is a minority member and has no control over his stake. The self-proclaimed billionaire only earned an actual income of around $1 million, Gottlieb told the outlet. But for his wages as president and his dividends from those inaccessible partnerships, Trump's actual income that year was more like $500,000 or $600,000. Not a lot of money for a billionaire. It comes after a video emerged of Trump in an August 2022 deposition with the New York State Attorney General Letitia James. The former president was questioned about his finances as part of a civil fraud investigation into his business practices. But during the deposition, Trump invoked the Fifth Amendment more than 400 times. The state of New York is suing Trump for $250 million for allegedly falsely inflating his net worth by billions of dollars to further enrich himself and cheat the system, and manipulating the value of assets to induce banks to lend money to the Trump Organization. The former president raised just $4.9 million with his 2024 campaign and joint fundraising committee in the final 33 days of 2022, according to reports filed Tuesday with the Federal Election Commission. That adds to the $4.2 million received through donors to the Joint Committee in the first 2 weeks after his November 15 announcement. In contrast, throughout the 2016 campaign, Trump raised a staggering $433,392,727.